Hello guys, my project name is Ayurvedic Syrup for the COVID-19. Our team code is B112 and the theme is COVID-19 healthcare system. Our Ayurvedic system is very safe for all patients because all ingredients give positive effect to the body and give action to the accidental area. The concept of Ayurveda is a science of life with a holistic approach to health and personalized medicine. A good project comes from a good problem. It's occurred problem which is addressed through the project, that is the source of data and evidence, that is include survey result where the problem is created and also include the statistics. Our project is based on the Ayurvedic system, so mainly demerits may lead to employees not catching errors that might have been caught had the task been done manually. So it is require more researches. Approach of the invention is a very unique. Our syrup model is applied to the society. They have been used to help entire national economics remain competitive and precarious. There is a great contribution to allopathic in field of emergency medicine, diagnostic techniques and surgery, but in the existing practice of Ayurvedic can't complete it. So, we are trying to complete each other in benefit of allying. It has involved holistic system having an understanding of physiology of maintain and restore health with a few side effects. We all know that the innovation is increased therein flow in a various area, but the innovation in Ayurvedic system is very slow, so we are trying to increase the flow. Now our justification is our Ayurvedic syrup is a fresh in a market. It's a very less expensive for all the patient. The methodology of this Ayurvedic system is based on the way to the systematic collection, analysis and interpretation of the data to solve the problem. I thought my Ayurvedic syrup is deliverable and beneficial to my society to help cure disease. Thank you.